If you guys are searching for a cash on delivery option in your Temu or payment methods, this guide is for you guys. So what is cash on delivery? Cash on delivery or code is a payment method supported by sellers that allows you to pay for the items you have ordered when they are delivered. There are a lot of cases when cash on delivery is not available, and let's have a look on this. In some instances, cash on delivery may not be available as a payment method. The following are possible reasons for why code is not option at checkout. The first reason is that the order total amount exceeds the code threshold. In some cases, the code payment option is unavailable when the total of your order is more than maximum threshold. Having a large amount of cash increases the risk of theft, loss, and miscalculations for both buyers and couriers. To minimize the risk, code is not available for orders with high totals. You may use other payment methods such as PayPal, credit card, and etc. You are not in the code area, so you might not have this option because you are out of the code area. Currently, only some countries in the Middle East can use code as a payment method. More countries will be added soon, so you can wait for this option. In the meantime, please use other payment methods to place an order. For security reasons, you may not be able to use code payment method if there are security risks. Please make sure you always sign for your packages and complete payments on time. SMS verification failed. When preparing your code order, we may need to verify phone number you used. If the verification fails, it's recommended that you try again or use different phone number. What is the code fee? The code fee refers to the fee you will be charged when you use cash on delivery payment method. This fee is non-refundable. If you are in the cash on delivery area, you might see this kind of option right here. You need to choose it and you will be able to pay with their cash after the order will be delivered to you. So that's all I want to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.